Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tien and I'm an inspiring software developer. As I've mentioned in the last episode, this is the final episode of the final season of the programming series. Making this series has been the highlight of my university life. The idea for the series began when I was very new in university, and I thought that by learning programming and design, I wanted to create something that I could be proud of when I look back in the years to come. And so I decided to film this series and make it a reality. And I look back into seeing what my friends, myself, and you guys have accomplished within the past year. I am very proud of it. And so I wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to all of you guys, because without you reacting to these videos for the past year, I wouldn't be able to have the courage to make these videos, knowingly that I am still a very beginner programmer. So yeah, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Secondly, I want to say thank you to my parents, mom, dad, little brother, and my pet dog who are in Vietnam. I miss you guys so much, and thank you so much for your encouragement for me to continue to pursue my dreams and passion. I also want to say thank you to all of my friends who have helped me throughout this series. So Eric, Helen, and Samadhi, you guys are amazing. And lastly, I want to say thank you to my partner in crime, Ishini Tennakoon. Without you and your enormous support and contributions to making these videos, they wouldn't be able to become a reality. So thank you so much. And yeah, I am going to miss this programming series and this very little community of viewers, friends, families, and partners. And yeah, I'll just miss the whole aspect of coming up with ideas, actually creating the code for the ideas, and to collectively program these ideas whilst trying my hardest to explain it in a way so that we all can collectively understand. In terms of the future direction of this YouTube channel, I am unsure of what I'm going to produce next, but whatever it might be, I know that I'm going to give it my 100% to continuing to produce content for you guys. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'm going to miss saying these two sentences. I hope that you guys have learned a thing or two throughout watching this video, and the source code will be uploaded onto GitHub and will be linked in the description down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe everybody, and yeah, bye.